Hi, it's Sue Ann Staff back for another Sizzling with SAS here at Sue Ann Staff Estate Winery in the middle of Niagara Benchlands. So today we're going to release the 2022 Lavelles Vidal, named after my grandfather, and we're going to pair it with the most delicious, fresh Thai turkey lettuce wraps. First, we're going to make the sauce, and it's going to take a quarter cup of tamarind. We need 2 tablespoons of a sweet Thai chili sauce. 1, 2. Excellent. We need 1 tablespoon of either maple syrup or honey, and this girl lives on maple syrup, so that's why we're using that today. And then the juice of 1 fresh lime. We're going to whisk that together and let it sit. So here we have 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil with a quarter cup of onions that have been cooking for about 2 minutes to get them soft. Now I'm going to add in 2 cloves of garlic that's been finely chopped with 1 tablespoon of ginger. We're just going to let this go for about a minute or 2 to get the fragrance out of it. Woo-hoo! I'm going to add in about a pound of turkey and just let that cook until all the pink bits are gone, breaking it up as I go with a wooden spoon and getting all that garlic and ginger fully incorporated into the turkey. Also going to add in some salt and pepper. Sprinkle in about 1/3 of a cup of chopped cashews. And we're also going to add in that beautiful sauce that we made previously. And let that go for about 2 minutes for those flavors to combine. So I've let it reduce and then I took it off the heat for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add in about a quarter cup of shredded carrots, a quarter cup of scallions, and a quarter cup of cilantro. Let that all sit for a few minutes just to heat through, then we're going to serve. So we have the new 2022 Lavelles Vidal, named after my grandfather Lavelle. It is the sweetest table wine I have. Beautiful, bright, fresh, crisp, full of summer flavors, peach, apricot. The best vessel to use, I believe, is a fresh lettuce leaf. So that beautiful turkey into it and have a taste. Perfect. Lots of flavor, lots of crunch, lots of weight to it. Wow, a little bit of heat from that chili sauce as well, with the sweetness of the wine. Calms it right down. Get your palate ready for another bite full of a turkey lettuce wrap with Thai flavors. Delicious. Enjoy.